confusion in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my walking in the
Okay, so the camera is at perfect positions. Mic is clear. Now let me introduce myself to you guys. Hey, I'm Aditya, or you can call me Aditya. You can call me Aditya. So I created this ScrollX UI, an open source modern component library, and it consists lot of beautiful and animated components. It's open source, so anyone can contribute in this. And these are all mentions in the GitHub. You can check it out. So first of all, let's see what it does. So create stunning interfaces with handcrafted components. Yeah, all the components are well structured, responsive, and supports light mode and dark mode. You can see some examples here. It's button, a badge, a lustrous text, and a theme switcher or mode toggle, and an avatar. And let's see. So beautiful animations, fully customizable, themable. As we can see, the features, and it supports CLI and manual. Easy installation with CLI tools or manual setup. Get started. So we will check out this later. Some of the components are shown here. Nice. Good. Okay, so these are the coolest, I guess, cool library. So, but I will teach you how to set up, how to use this ScrollX UI components in your project. Anything like you're making your portfolio or your small startup business, anything you can use ScrollX UI components. Let's see documentation first. ScrollX UI is an open source component library that provides, as I said, okay, we are featured on Product Hunt. You can check this out. Okay, okay, let's start with installations. So this library is made with Next.js, Tailwind, TypeScript. So you have to set this up first. Then you can use these components in your project. So these are the guidelines. You can follow this to create your Next.js project. But I think that you guys already set up this. So if you have already set up this, then we can watch components like cool components, cool accordion installation. Click by using this or by using manual. You can manually install dependencies and create files and copy the code. And all of the steps are given here. How to use it, what are the props, API references, so many components. You can contribute or start. You can start here. Okay. More components are will be delivered soon. Right now, it includes 50 components. Okay, so let's see how to use this ScrollX UI components in your projects. So I have already set up basic for my portfolio, a basic code like In my page.tsx, I have set up this. Let's open this. Out its portfolio. Okay, now you have to run this in the Jeff and simple. My portfolio, welcome to my portfolio. Basic page. Okay, basic page. So we don't need this. First of all, we will remove this. We will remove this. Okay. Now it's clean UI. Okay. Now we will need what we will need? Yeah, we need dark mode also. And we have already set up this tailwind TypeScript already. So let's see how to set up dark mode. To set up a dark mode, you have to create a theme provider and then wrap your home layout with your theme provider. And then you can use this component, theme switcher. And these are the FAQs. Okay, so create a theme provider.tsx. Let's copy this. Where inside components, we have to create this theme provider.tsx. Let's copy this code. Okay, and then first of all, you have to install this next themes. But I have already installed this next themes. Okay, so you can, but you have to do it. You have to set up your project first, and then you have to wrap your root layout. Okay, let's wrap the root layout with theme provider. Okay, here it is. See, okay, okay. Now we can see the error is gone. There's one issue because of a tree hydrated, but some of the server and HTML was the okay. It's hydration problem. It's hydration problem. It's not a big deal. Okay, it's not a big deal. Now we will use Navbar. So okay, Navbar. Cool. We want this Navbar in our project. It's looking cool. So we can install this manually or by using Clay. So let's use Clay. It will install all the dependencies, all the files. As you can see, the navbar component is installed. You can see here components UI navbar flow. Wait, components UI. So wait, we will move this to inside this. Okay, we will delete this and we will delete this. Yeah, because I I want everything inside my components. So these are UI folders and these are components automatically. Okay, let's use this at the rate. Okay, now as we need the snapper flow, we have got the snapper flow, and these are the usage, how to use this. Okay, now we need, okay, we need theme switcher, theme switcher. So we need this, we need this. Okay, the utils.ts already includes here, so we will override it or we will skip it. Okay, so now we will create a navbar. We'll create a navbar. My typing speed is slow, so forgive me for that. Okay, we'll create a navbar. Now, how to create a navbar? You can create your own styles, but you have to do fast everything. We have to make the video short, so we will just read the usage. Okay. 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 So we can use this like this. Okay, remove this, this, and then we will use this. Let's copy this and paste it here. Themes which I can. Okay, so themes which I can, they have used some their own. So let's use themes which I can. Okay. So which one we should choose? This one looks cool, but this one also only follows next. Like if you tap where it goes next. We'll use this basic one. Okay, copy this, and paste it here. Then you just quick fix, add all missing imports. Okay, and there we don't need this because maybe they implemented their own span last name my portfolio. Okay, and then we can change this. We can change this over links as you want in your portfolio because maybe you will change now this for projects. Okay, you can change this to temperature code. So okay, something you can change it. Okay, you can modify it. It's fully customizable. And then we just have to go in page.tsx and here call your navbar, and let's open the server. The sorry, okay, reload this. Okay, it's compiling. Okay, cool, cool. As you can see, it's cool. Like it's working also. It's very simple. It's fully customizable. We can like see, we can customize this, we can customize this, everything we can customize. So that's how you can use our clay, you can use manually, you can learn from the place, and you can implement in your project. It's very simple. See, it's very simple. Like you don't have to do any, like if you will create everything from your own, this will take maybe your 30 minutes, and right now we just did in the 10 minutes. It's very simple. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes, and we created our navbar.